Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change contrast themes ducks in Windows. So for this case we have to go to the search options. Here I have clicked, so here before I have clicked, that's why it has been revealed here. So click the contrast themes. So by default not, I have set in desired option, that's why it has been revealed here. Now I want to change my ducks option if I want. So here I will select and I will press the apply button. See, the thing has been changed in this way. If I want to edit this section, so any kinds of color I can change. See, done. See, the color has been changed. So you can have to give the save or save name or something else. Save and apply. See, the thing has been changed in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.